Merry Christmas, John. And I hope you can figure out this box without my help, but here's the video to show you how to do it. If you can't, you'll have lots of help, but this may have to do it for you. This opens similar to Papa's to start with, but then there's a trick. So here we go. First of all, the pictures are shown right side up. Flip it over so the pictures are upside down. With the door, the secret door, facing towards you. And here we go. I'm going to incrementally push these middle sliders outward. It's kind of like with what Dad's does. Then pushing the upper and lower sliders also. So push this out again, out again. It's a little hard because these are so loose. Sometimes they slide back the opposite way. Okay. Still pushing these out. Bottom over, this one down. At this point, you might think it would open up, but it doesn't. So I want to get to a point where these sliders are out as far as they go. That's as far as they go there. It won't open here. It won't open, none of these open. So at this point, we need to close it back up. But close it with the sliders staying out. Here we go. Okay, now we're back to neutral. Now the end pieces, we're going to go opposite direction while incrementally pushing these back in. Still pushing these in. Still pushing these in. Bottom over. Now it's open. Oh, there's one more move for the booty. I'm twisting and pulling the nut. Secret drawer. Now it's not easy to close it either, so we're going to close it up. I'm going to start closing by pulling these end sliders back out. So now the end sliders are out as far as they'll go. Go opposite direction. Until it's fully open. Now it's fully open. Push the sliders back in, then we can close it step by step by pushing the ends back into where they started. Remember? Now pictures are right side up. Done. Later.